How to animate text on Google Slides. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can animate text on Google Slides. And this is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Google Slides account. Then open up your presentation in Google Slides. And once you've done that, on the presentation page, the next step would be for you to select the text that you'd like to animate. All right. So after selecting the text, um you would after selecting the text, move to the top left corner where you can see the title of the presentation. Then below that you will see a toolbar displaying options like file, edit, view, insert, format, slide, etc. Just click on insert, and then in the drop down menu ensure you select animation. Now, once you've done that, move to the right side, the right panel, where you'll see different animations that are available. But before you start, ensure you select the slide transition, okay, option, and then select how you would like the transition to play out. Do you want it to dissolve? Do you want it to fade in? Slide from the right, slide from the left. Do you want it to flip? Okay, just select the one that you prefer. Then once you've done that, if you want to apply it to all slides, you can select that. Then after the slide transition, scroll down and then select the particular object animation that you want to use. So for me, I clicked on the one here which is called appear. Then you can just edit this to after previous. Then you can also change this. Okay, you can change it to suit you, and then once you're done, click on play and you'll see the animation play out. You can see that, right? You can see how cool it is. So you can play it again to see uh this way. So this is it. This is how you can animate text in Google Slide. Thank you for watching and have a good day.